Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is July 11, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at a chart here of GameStop Corporation. Many of you know it. This is a popular company that sells video games. They have stores pretty much in many shopping centers and malls and so forth. But one thing I am looking at right now when I look at this chart is that the stock is finally starting to creep above its 50-day moving average, but it's really happening on very weak volume. That tells me that the stock is a potential shorting opportunity at some point in time. So if you take a look, say, at the S&P spiders here, which are making new all-time highs today, you can see the market is above all of its moving averages. You go back to a stock like GameStop, and this is really showing weak relative strength to the market. So this is a stock, when I see it's weak relative to the market, I look as a potential short opportunity. But now you got to look at when can I short it. So first thing I notice here is that you have a little resistance around 29, and then you have a major gap fill level around the $30 level. So that already tells me $30 is a potential area pattern pending on a short opportunity. If you look here at a bigger time frame also, and you move it over to a weekly chart, which is something that I like to do very often, what you'll notice here is that you're going to have a huge sell-off bar from the month of May this year, and you can see that this was almost a really hard sell. This was a bar which carried around, I'm going to say, about 3 points in it. So, and if you look at the volume there on that weekly chart bar, what you'll notice also is that it had about 12.2 million shares traded that week. So there's going to be a lot of resistance here around this area. So $30 to me looks like a level where you could get in on the short side for GameStop. Now, where would we look for our target? Well, if you go back to your daily chart, first thing you would look for is a move back down to this gap right here, which is around $27.35, and then ultimately double bottom and potentially even lower. But either way, I would always tell traders you want to take something off the table, lock in a first gain right around here. That gives you a nice little trade, probably close to $3, and your stop out is very easy. You could put a stop out on a weekly chart close basically above either one of these little pivots. So this pivot high right here would be 30.66. Put a weekly chart close right above 30.66. Any close above there, you stop out of that trade, you take a small loss. So $30 is your target for a short trade on GameStop going forward. Now, if you want to trade this and other equities alongside of us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You'll see everything that we are doing in there. We're having a sensational 2016. And again, if you do decide to come over to the Research Center, try that 7-day free trial, you get all of our nightly trade setups, you get our charts, you get all of our cycle work, and you also get our No Hype Live broadcast, which allow members to come over, ask us questions about anything that they are looking at market related, and we hold a conference twice a week to do that for members, and that's all part of the Research Center product. So again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see everything that we are doing in there. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.